Hello everyone, welcome back to Nguyen Phat Tools channel. In today's video, I will show you a software that helps you to mass post on multiple Twitter accounts. So this is my software. You can see first, we have the account management. You will add and manage all the Twitter accounts here like this. And you can see, I can log into all my Twitter accounts. There, you can zoom in and use it just like a normal browser. So this is my Twitter profile. To auto-post, first we will go to Content Management. First, I will add the content I want to post. We will click to Add Post. Then you can post a status, or you can attach an image or a video like this. I will have the content here, and you can enter the valid tracker. So we can take the random number, the time span, or like the random code or random icon. Then I will select the image here. Take this image, press Save, and then I will have the content here. Next to posting, we will go to Viral Marketing, and I will choose Post Tweet. I will set up from top to bottom. First, I will set up the number of threads, that is, the number of accounts running at the same time. Then, I will set up the number of posts that each account will post. And then, I will set up the break interval time between the posts. I will set it to 5 to 10 seconds. Next, I will click to select Post, and then I will select the content. Then, you can allow duplicate posts between accounts. You can add hashtags, you can tag users, or you can interact after you post. You can like and comment on your post, and then you can rotate it. It means after a process, it will wait for an amount of time that you set up and then run again. Okay. After we set up the configuration, we will choose the account. Then I will press Start, and then we let the software do the work. There you can see it opens the browser and starts logging into Twitter. It will post in the script that I set up. Start posting the content that I prepared. Okay, so I just showed you a software that helps me to mass post on Twitter. If you need more information, please contact me on my Telegram or WhatsApp. The details are pinned down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to Nguyen Phat Tools channel.